6 na taong nagtrabaho sa Dubai si Rodel bilang call center agent. Dahil sa pandemya, nawalan siya ng trabaho.
In 2020 po, while I was on vacation, that was way back in December, medyo nagtanggal po ng employees yung company namin, and I was one of those affected. So I decided na instead of going back to Dubai, I decided to stay here in the Philippines.
Para maitaguyod ang pamilya sa gitna ng pandemya, pinuo niya kasama ang ilan pang OFWs ang Baguio Benguet Overseas Workers Association.
It's a little bit went through a lot of ups and downs, pero with the leadership of our president, we were able to establish camaraderie among our members. Well, one of the objectives of the organization is to uplift the economic status of every OFWs, whether they are former OFWs or current OFWs.
Naisipan na rin nilang humingi ng tulong sa DOLE para makapagpatayo ng coffee shop.
Sa parang butas ng karayom for us to avail this grant from the government. Actually, it is more than 10 officials actually from the OWA. There is the director of the OWA, regional director ng CAR. Within the panel, if we were to present the business plan, ang dami nila sa harap mo. So, syempre, parang hindi naman natin feel yung pag-defend ng business plan. Almost a year in the making kasi ito eh. When we registered to DOLE, Department of Labor and Employment, that was March 25, 2021. So, during that time, ang tagal namin nag-antay. There are times na talagang wala na kaming parang pag-asa. But then God guided us as well because God also knows our deeper. Alam niya na yung mga motives talaga namin is to help.
Kape, pasta, at kung ano-ano pang pagkain ang handog ngayon ng kanilang kafe sa Diego Silang Street, Session Road, Baguio City.
So, nung pork is so tender, saktong-sakto lang siya.
Overall, sobrang sarap and yung ambience sobrang wala akong masabi. Speechless kasi sobrang ganda and sobrang sarap.
Food, masarap po yung pesto. Actually, favorite ko po siya. Nakalimutan ko yung name ko nung kumain ako.
Ayon sa Baguio Benguet Overseas Workers Association, bukas ang kanilang pinto para sa mga kapwa OFW na nais humingi ng tulong para makapagsimula ng sariling negosyo o kaya'y sumamang mapalaki at mapalago ang OFW Cafe. Randy Guzman para sa Luzon Headlines.